Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever noticed how many AI generated cartoon videos are blowing up on YouTube, getting thousands or even millions of views? These videos can be so creative, fun, and entertaining, and you might be thinking, wow, this must take a ton of effort and skill to pull off. And you're right, creating high quality cartoon videos can be a challenge, especially when you're working on things like consistent characters and detailed animation. It's no wonder only a few people are diving into this type of content. But what if I told you that after watching this video, creating your own AI generated cartoon videos will be as simple as copy paste? That's right. Today I'm going to teach you exactly how to use AI tools to produce unlimited cartoon stories, complete with consistent characters, and the best part. These types of videos can get monetized because you're creating original content. So if you're ready to build a successful YouTube channel without spending hours drawing or animating, then stick around because we're about to break it all down step by step. Without further ado, let's jump into it. Step 1, getting story ideas with ChatGPT. Now, the first step in creating any great cartoon video is having a solid story. You could spend hours brainstorming ideas, or you could let AI do it for you in seconds. For this, we'll use ChatGPT, which is an excellent tool for generating ideas. Here's what you need to do. Open ChatGPT and type in this prompt. I want to create a cartoon video, so give me 20 cartoon story ideas. After you hit enter, ChatGPT will immediately give you a list of 20 unique, creative story ideas that you can build on. Take your time going through them and don't rush. Read each one carefully and imagine what it could look like as a video. Step 2, selecting and expanding on a story. So you've gone through the list of story ideas, and let's say you really like the ninth one. What do you do next? It's simple. Just tell ChatGPT, I like the ninth story idea, so write a story based on it. I also want an image prompt for every scene. This step is really important because it not only gives you a full, fleshed out story, but also generates specific image prompts for each scene. These prompts will guide the AI image generator later on. At this point, you already have your script ready to go, and it's tailor-made to fit the story you want to create. You can even tweak the story if needed, adjusting the dialogue or adding more scenes to fit your vision. You have complete control here. Step 3, creating consistent characters. Now, this is where it gets a little tricky. You want your characters to stay consistent throughout the entire video, right? Let's say the main character in your story is named Lily, but we don't know yet what she'll look like. To test this, take the image prompt that ChatGPT provided for Lily and paste it into Bing Image Generator or any other AI image tool you prefer. You'll get a visual representation of Lily, but the challenge is ensuring she looks the same in every scene. For this, you need a consistent reference for Lily's appearance. Here's a pro tip. Go to Google and search for AI cartoon images, scroll through and pick an image that closely resembles the character style you envision for Lily. Download this image and use it as a reference. Once you have this reference, go back to ChatGPT and upload the image. Now type this prompt. Write details of this character in one line so that I can generate a consistent character. When ChatGPT gives you the character details, you'll have a perfect description that you can reuse in every scene to keep Lily's design consistent across your entire video. This is really important because consistency is key to making your cartoon feel professional and polished. Step 4, generating the images for your story. Now that you have both your story and your character details, it's time to bring everything together. You can use the Bing Image Generator, DALL-E, or any other AI image generator for this step. Make sure to use the prompts you got from ChatGPT, both for your characters and for the settings. Each scene's prompt will ensure the background, lighting, and overall style match perfectly with your story. The best part, you can customize each prompt based on your needs. If you want to tweak the character's appearance, just make slight adjustments to the description before generating. Once you're satisfied with the generated images, you'll have unique visuals for every scene of your cartoon. It's like having a whole animation team at your fingertips. Step 5, adding motion to your images. You've got your images, but static images alone won't cut it for a full cartoon video. Now we need to add some motion. For this, we're going to use Haiper.ai. First, head over to Haiper.ai and create a free account if you don't already have one. Then click on the image to video option. Upload the first image from your story and click on the settings button. Set the duration to about 4 seconds per image. This will give your video enough time to transition smoothly between scenes without feeling rushed. Once you've done this, click Create and Haiper.ai will start rendering your video. Repeat this process for each scene, and you'll soon have a fully animated story. Step 6, generating a voiceover. Now it's time to bring your characters to life with some voices. To create a voiceover, you can use tools like ElevenLabs or OpenTTS, which allow you to generate professional quality voiceovers. just by typing out your script. You can choose different voices and accents depending on your characters. This step is super easy and it adds so much personality to your cartoon. Once the voiceover is ready, you're one step closer to having a finished video. Step 7, editing your video. Finally, it's time to put everything together. For video editing, you can use free software like VN or Capcut. Both are super user-friendly and powerful enough to handle your cartoon video. In the editor, combine your animated images and voiceovers, add background music, and don't forget to include some transitions between scenes for a smooth flow. If you want to go the extra mile, you can also add sound effects to make your video even more engaging. And that's it. You've just learned how to make AI-generated cartoon videos with consistent characters, animation, and voiceovers. The entire process is much easier than it looks, and you don't need any advanced skills to get started. With this method, creating original content is as easy as copy-paste. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. See you in the next video.